Hello everyone, my name is Scott Ibarra, and today we're going to be talking a little bit more on MIS, and today's topic is actually going to be major DBMS products on the market. Now, before we're able to talk about the products on the market, we want to be able to understand what DBMS is. Now, there's two distinguishable factors that come into when we talk about this topic. There's actually the database and DBMS. Now, these are two different things, and we want to go over them before we see exactly what the products are to be able to identify what is one thing and what is another. So, the differences between distinguishing the database from the DBMS starts from, let's talk about the database first. Now, the database is a collection of data that's organized, and it's normally used for schools or smaller businesses. So let's say if I'm at school, I'm usually using a database, right? Or the people in charge are using a database, or small businesses, right? Now, on the other hand, a database management system, or the DBMS, is a system that manages this database. So it's one step ahead. It's not just the database itself, but it's managed and it's making sure that the information is processing and going through correctly. And then this component is one of the most important factors of any successful informational system. Big, large corporations and companies like Oracle and Microsoft are one of the biggest, users of this system, and they use it for the main reason to have their information stored and managed in the right fashion. So after we do this, we're gonna actually see examples of them and how they play the role in their market. So, like priorly stated, we're able to distinguish the two differences between the database and the DBMS. We know that there are many different companies that use DBMS system in order to have their information have a correct management system behind it. Now, why is this so important? We want to make sure that all their information that is stored has value. All their valuable customers pay for pay for all the supply that they're given and all the goods that they're receiving in the services. So companies like we said, Oracle, Microsoft are only some of the companies out of the thousands of them that exists that use this system in itself. Now, for example, a lot of us use Microsoft, right? And Microsoft in itself has a lot of information and a lot of customers. They use a lot of components to be able to store their information correctly. Now, the DBMS allows them to do that, and it makes sure that the information is stored correctly. This is also managed by it, and it allows them to have a good system that their reputation grows. So those were some of the examples of DBMS in the market system.